Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Do your kitchen or bathroom towels end up on the floor like this all the time? Well, we have a perfect solution for this, and you can apply this solution to every towel that you've purchased. And it's quick, easy, and simple to do. No sewing required. With our method, your towels can hang like this, and they won't fall down. You can dry your hands with them, kids can pull on them, and they'll stay hanging. They snap on and off easily. So you just snap them and snap them, unsnap and snap them. And they hang. This can be applied to pretty much any towel that you purchase for the kitchen or bath. And to hang the towel, you just take the towel with the snaps that we've put on and put it over your stove handle or other refrigerator or other place you want to hang it, towel bar. Fold it over like this so that there's several inches of the towel is behind. Then just wrap the towel around to the front and use the snaps to snap it in place. And your towel is hanging. If you'd like to see a photo tutorial of this project and how to install the snaps, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video. We will also have links to where to purchase the snaps that I'm using in this tutorial. These are Kam Snaps and they're perfect for this project. On the page, we will also have a downloadable PDF with a printable little instruction card that will show people how to hang these towels. So if you give them as gifts, this would be a great card to include in with your gift so they understand how to hang the towel and snap it. I made these towels for gifts this Christmas season. These are embroidered with my embroidery machine, but this project can be added to any purchased towels, so they will make great gifts for people. Purchase some towels, add the snaps, and add our little instruction card to your gift, and they will know how to use their hanging towels. So let's go see how we install these snaps. So the towels I had shown on hanging off my stove were these towels that I purchased blanks, and I actually embroidered this pattern on the towels with my embroidery machine. And I think this makes these towels great that we can now hang them. And they have a cute embroidery on them. But you can do this with any purchased towels. So all the towels that you have in your house, you could do this with and make them into hanging towels that won't fall off your stove or wherever you have them hanging, because they'll have the snaps on them. These are my Kam Snaps. I have quite a lot I've collected over time. They come in sets with different colors, or you can buy them individually, but I started with a set that one or two sets that had just a variety of colors, so that way I could put them on most of things that I was making. I have a lot of whites so that I can put that color on if no other color matches. So I have these purchased towels that I had purchased a while back in a set, and I will make each of these into hanging towels. So this towel has several different lots of different colors in it, and I can pull. I have a snap that's that color that kind of matches that, or I have a snap that matches that, or I have a plain cream one, which also is kind of highlighted in this towel. So I think I will use this one for this towel. So the Kam Snaps come in sets, and you have for each snap, for each side you need a point, and then on one side you need an inner one, and then you need an outer one. So that's for each, to snap something together you need 4 pieces, and 2 of the points, and then 1 of each of the different backs of the snaps, the innie one and the outie one. So to do this, we take the towel, and on this towel it has the same print on the front and the back, so I just have to pick, on this one I can pick a side, that's the back. For towels that just have one side, notice we don't have the snaps on the bottom or the front, we have them on the top of the towel, or the back, what hangs over the back. Figure out where you're going to put your snaps, and like I said, this towel has the same on the front and the back, so it doesn't matter which side I do it on. The other parts of the Kam Snaps is I use this Kam Snap pliers, and this works really well to apply the Kam Snaps to your project. I recommend having one. You could probably use it with some other tools, but this is specially made to squish the snap together and have it work properly. There is a starter set that will come with these and some Kam Snaps. This is a point tool, which is used to make the hole through your fabric that where you're going to install the snap. So when I'm doing this, I want to install the snaps on the top corners near the edge of your towel. Fold the towel in half this way, so like that, and I have the one snap to be right there, and then use your pointed tool to make the hole. And this makes a good size hole that is the right size to fit the points. Once you have your holes, then you have to place your snaps. Note that one side has the flat part on the top, and the other side has the flat side on the back. So you want to make sure that you put them together properly, because if you have them both from the front, if you have this snap with the snaps both facing this way, then you won't be able to snap the towel together properly when you're trying to hang it. So I'm going to follow the way I did this one, and so I will insert my snap from the back on the left side, and then I will place this little one of the inside pieces in there, and you want to be sure your fabric is all flat inside. Take your Kam Snap pliers, and what you're trying to do is the pointed piece will sit right in perfectly in the black piece there. So you can see how it's like right inside there and it fits perfectly. So when you have it in your fabric all together, you slide it in there until it's centered and in there properly. And then you gently squeeze down. Now, when you're squeezing down, be sure you're squeezing down evenly and firmly, but don't go too hard, because I have had somebody break the tool because they pressed it too hard. And what it does, the Kam Snap tool, this white part pushes down in, and it basically compresses the inner point down into so it's squished. So for the other side, I'm going to take my point and put it going downwards this time instead of coming upwards, and put my other piece on the inside. Slide it into the Kam Snap tool and press it evenly and firmly down. And you can see it squished the little point down. And it's tight on there. They are pretty tight. They're hard to get off once you get them on there. I always test my snaps after I put them together to make sure that they will actually snap properly. Because once in a while, if you press it off center, which is why I said to press firmly and evenly, if you press it off center, then the little nub here can end up off to one side or the other, and that will cause the snap to not work properly. I've also had a case where after I've installed them, sometimes they come apart right away because they weren't installed properly. And in that case, you can usually put it back together and then put it back together and squish it again to get it squished perfectly. So as you can see, it's very easy to make any towel into a hanging towel just by adding a couple of Kam Snaps. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning how to put some snaps on everyday towels in order to make them into hanging towels. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And don't forget to visit needlepointers.com for hundreds of crafting tutorials.